you guys, hopefully you're having a great morning so far, or a great day whenever you're watching this video. I've set up my next page with a number line because I'm going to show you a little worksheet here in just a minute, and I'm going to have you draw them out. And a little bit further down I put additive inverse notes from video because you're going to watch an additive inverse video that is posted underneath this module. And you're going to take just a few notes. You don't need too much room, just a little bit of room, so that way you can take the notes from the video. But additive inverse is adding the opposite. And you're going to take more notes on that in that video. So right now we're going to focus on the number line. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a page. I want you to pause my video, and then I want you to draw these number lines the best you can. They don't have to be perfect, just try to draw them the way that I have them and try to put them under your notes. If you want to wait to write this until after you've drawn, feel free to do so. So if you need to put this on a different page, you can. So here is the number line. We're going to talk about these. There are 8 problems. I know you can only see, there you go. Here are the 8 problems that you're going to have. So pause the video and go ahead and draw these real quick. So now that you have them drawn on your paper, we're going to talk about how to read these, because this is something that you are going to see on your benchmarks and on your quizzes and on your EOG. So right now, number 1, my number line, the first line, you always go with the first one from 0, or you go with the bottom one. Once again, the bottom one also starts at 0. What this is saying that the answer to this problem would be 9. Because my answer or my line ends at 9. So it's saying you get 9 by taking 1, 2, 3, 4 in the positive direction because it's going to the right. So I have 4 in the positive direction plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 plus 5 gives me 9. The way to read number 2 is I have 1, 2 in the positive direction, so I'm going to say 2 plus, because I'm putting these together for my number line, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the negative direction, so I'm going to put negative 6, which equals 6 minus 2 is 4, taking the negative, negative 4, which is actually where my number line stops, is negative 4. Number 3. It's saying my answer is negative 10, and it gets that by going 1, 2, 3 in the negative direction, so negative 3, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the negative direction. Negative 3 plus negative 7 equals negative 10. Number 4, it's saying my answer is going to be negative 4, because that's where it ends. I'm going to start with my bottommost, or the one starting at 0. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in the negative direction. So I'm going to put negative 7 plus, this one's going 1, 2, 3 in the positive direction. So I'm going to do plus 3. When you look at the rules that we gave you, 7 minus 3 is 4. 7's bigger, so it's negative. Try these last 4. Pause the video. When I look at number 5, my answer goes to 5. Put it over here. So what numbers am I adding together? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in the positive direction, plus 1, 2, 3, 4 going in the negative direction, so negative 4. Hopefully you got that right. Number 6, it ends at 3, and it gets that by saying negative 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 in the positive direction. For number 7, it ends back at 0, and it gets us by saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the positive direction plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going in the negative direction. So 5 plus negative 5 is 0. And the last one ends at 9, and it says 1, 2, 3 in the negative direction, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the negative direction. Negative 3 plus negative 6 is negative 9. Forgot that negative there. Hopefully you understand these number lines. You will see them a little bit, not so much because we have talked about the rules now, so you won't see these as often. However, you will see them. So hopefully you understand that if it's going to the left, even if it's a positive range, it's going to be a negative. And if it's going to the right, even if it's in the negative range, it's going to be a positive. So going to the right is positive, going to the left is negative. Hopefully you got these in your notes and you can write that at the bottom. Going right equals positive. Going left equals negative. Hopefully this helps, and hopefully you have a good rest of your day. Have a good one.